Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's going well. So for today's makeup look, I'm gonna show you how to do this black smoky eye. So first of all, I'm gonna apply my favorite eyeshadow base all over the lid. I'm using Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. And now I'm gonna highlight the brow bone and the tear duct of my eyes. I'm gonna apply a cream beige eyeshadow to highlight a little bit and also to help to blend the next eyeshadows. This is from Artist of Makeup and the pigmentation is so good. So I'm gonna apply a little at a time, and this shadow just will help me to kinda highlight a little bit and more to diffuse the edges of the next color that I'm gonna apply. Next, I'm gonna choose my transition shade. You can use brown, gray, pink, purple, blue, any color that you want. You can apply cool tones, warm tones. I'm gonna apply a dark brown eyeshadow to create a more wearable look for everybody. So I'm gonna concentrate this color in a fluffy brush and place it in my outer corner first. And next I'm gonna just blend in circular motions to my crease and to my lower lash line. So I'm gonna add in the product a little at a time. This is a good way to control the amount of product that I'm gonna apply. And next I'm gonna apply a black eyeshadow base. And to create this black eyeshadow base, I'm gonna use a gel liner. This is Wicked by Sigma. I love this product for many tricks. And this gel liner is my favorite ever because it's waterproof and lasts longer. It's one of the best for me. So I'm gonna apply it a little at a time again all over the lid with a small brush. And also what is left in the brush, I'm gonna apply in the lower lash line to darken the look a little bit. With the same brush, I'm gonna be careful to blend the edges of the gel liner just a little bit. And next, I'm gonna apply a black eyeshadow. You can use any black eyeshadow that you like. I'm gonna use this one from Melt Cosmetics, and this is the color Corrupt, I believe, or oh my god, I don't know the name of the color. I just forgot it, but I'm gonna link down below for you guys in case you're interested. This black eyeshadow by Melt Cosmetics is amazing. So now I just pop on some fake lashes, and also I applied a little bit of the gel liner in the waterline. And now I'm applying the liquid lipsticks. I applied a red shade from Uti Woo in the center of my lips and a nude peachy color from BH Cosmetics. Right on top, I'm gonna apply the Vinyl Lip Gloss by Maybelline. This is a transparent lip gloss, and this is what gives me this effect in my lips. I love it. So this is the final result. And that's it for this look, my lovies. I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you still are not subscribed to my channel. And again, thank you so much. I see you later in the next videos. Mwah.